Hello, boys and girls. My name is Arna Gupta. What's your name? I read you a story, A Boy and a Monster. A Boy and a Monster by Anushka Ravi Shankar. Monster Rule 1. One night in the dim darkness of his room, Moin heard something shuffling and sniffling under his bed. Who's that? He squeaked. A monster, said a shrieking kind of voice. Moin flashed his torchlight all over the room. Nothing. A monster. Where are you? Asked in a wobbly whisper. A monster, stupid, not a monster. Monster? Where are you? Asked Moin. Under the bed, obviously, with a very dusty old suitcase and a pair of blue socks, which are horrible and shabby. That's why I have. Which are horrible and shabby. That's why I am holding my doors. Oh, so that's where they are. I was looking for those socks. The pair of rolled up blue socks came shooting out from under the bed and hit Moin on the nose as he leaned out of bed. Ow! Thanks, but why are you under the bed? How do I know? That's where monsters always are. Some stupid monster rule, I suppose. If I knew all the rules, I wouldn't be here. Monster Rule 42. When a monster is sent to the human world, it has to hide under the bed. If there is no bed, it can hide under a cupboard or other suitable piece of furniture. If there is no suitable piece of furniture, it should look for a dark corner. Moin flashed the light under the bed, but I can't see you. That's another monster rule. You can only see me if you draw me. Moin was confused, but I can only draw if I see you, he said. If you don't draw me, I will have to stay invisible forever. Moin didn't reply. He had a feeling that an invisible monster was better than a visible one. You have to draw me, the monster shouted. It's the monster rule. But I am not a monster, Moin pointed out. If you disobey the rule, you will turn into a suitcase. But how can I draw you when I don't know how you look? I can disguise myself, can't I? Then you can draw me. Moin was not at all sure about this. Once in art class, he had drawn a horse and the teacher had thought it was a map of Maharashtra. So now he labeled all his drawings carefully and even that his art teacher always wrote "ha" on his paper. Still, he didn't feel like turning into suitcase. Suitcases were regular and boring, and people were always sitting on them or pushing them under bed, so he switched on the light, got out his crayons and a piece of paper and waited for the monster to describe itself. You can't draw me on that teeny bit of paper, the monster told him. I will be as big as you draw me, and I don't want to be the size of your foot. But I don't have to any bigger sheets of paper. What do you mean? You don't have any bigger sheets. You have to get a bigger sheet. You have two. You have two. You have two. Okay, said Moin. I have an idea. He took the calendar off the wall, selected a month that he passed, tore off the sheet and turned it around. There, that's the biggest sheet I can get. And if you don't like it, there's nothing I can do about it. So describe yourself. Hump and the monster and began to sing in a high pitch which sounded quite horrible with its tickle. Eyes like flames and nose like spells, ears like sound and teeth like nails. A scary fearsome sight to see. Monster me. Wait a minute, shouted Mine. What do you mean? Nose like pails? You mean you have more than one nose? Oh, bah, what a silly boy I've got. I mean, my nostrils are deep as buckets of a course. Why can't you say what do you mean then? It's absolutely to all but the most meanest intelligence. What, that's a clever way of saying you stupid. Some people are so stupid they can't even say what they mean, muttered Moin. The monster started singing again. Skull-shaped mole on rock-like chin, long green hair and purple skin. In the dark you will scream to see monster me. Drum-shaped chest and arms like trees, bamboo legs on feet like skis. Terrifying as can be. Monster me. There was silence as Boing drew the monster, part by part, slowly, carefully, and briskly. Have you finished? Asked the monster. Shh! Can't you see I am drawing? Finished? Asked the monster after half a minute. Wait, said Moin, raising a rather large ear. The monster waited for half a minute more. Finished? Almost, said Moin. Right here you are. Now hold up the paper, the monster said. How was the story? You liked the story? Bye bye. Have a nice day.